Hi, my name is Sandra and I work at Group Cynefin. Today I'm going to be explaining electricity and gas bills. I've got a gas bill in front of me, but electricity bills are pretty much the same. Your customer number's here in the top right hand corner. It could be called your customer reference number. That number is important for when you need to make a claim for the warm home discount or you have a complaint. The statement date, this is the period from when you're actually paying. And this tells you your balance. This bill says I'm in credit by over £100, but if it says I'm in debit, that's how much I owe. This is a direct debit payment, and it's showing you the dates the direct payments are taken out. This part of the bill gives you your tariff name. I'm on a standard tariff with a monthly direct debit. This could also be pay-as-you-go or quarterly bill. The date the tariff ends, there's no end date on this, and there's an exit fee applied to some tariffs but not on this one. This section of the bill tells you how much gas you've used. So you have a meter reading and then you have an estimated reading, which could be actual. The estimated units used over 127 days is 99, and that they've converted that into kilowatt hours. So the kilowatt hours comes up with a price of £89.59 plus the standing charge. Add that together with VAT and this is the total amount for your gas that you've paid. If you need any more information, please consult the Energy Wardens.